Hello and welcome to the video tutorial where we explore just how easy it is to add a new contact to an account in Salesforce using Cirra AI, Claude, and Kugamon. Now you might be watching this as a follow-up after using Claude to create a new account in your Salesforce. If that's the case, we're going to pick up where we left off. If that's not the case, it is recommended that you check out that video for extra context, or if you find yourself in this situation, that's fine too. So you do need access to Cirra AI, a pro subscription to Claude, and a subscription to Kugamon in order to follow along. So if you have all those and you are logged in, we're ready to go. Now from Claude, you will need to create a scenario for yourself where you want to create a new contact for a particular account. I am just going to have Claude create a new contact for this Salesforce account that I had just asked it to make. Now, once you've figured out what that contact is for you and what account you want it to be associated to, let's proceed. So either you'll need to create a new chat or continue the same one if you've been following along with my scenario. So what I'm going to do is ask Claude in my scenario to create a new CFO contact for Starbucks. And I'm essentially going to ask it like this. So you could just follow the exact prompt, or you can modify this to fit your situation. And then we will let Claude do some research and create this new contact for us. Okay, so here is the summary, and this is the CFO's name. So now since this is created, let's go into the tab where you are already logged into your Salesforce and Kugamon. And either you will need to open that account or refresh it if you're in my situation. So refreshing it, what we want to do is locate the contacts related list, and there you want to see the name of that new contact. So in my case, since we wanted to create a contact for the CFO, we see that it's been created here. And then in the created by, we can confirm that this is time-stamped and dated to just now. So we have that lovely confirmation there. So Claude has officially created a new contact for us easily in just a matter of seconds. If you have any questions about any of these steps, feel free to share your inquiry directly within the comments below, or if appropriate, reach out to the support team at Cirra AI, Claude, or Kugamon. But did you want to learn more? Take a look at the 2 helpful video tutorials below.